Finally! Oh my word. My aim is so atrocious. I almost couldn't get this. I kept on hitting at an angle or off the sides. But here we go. Not a great throw. But look at that thing. That's 12 or 13 meters. And there we go. That's how much it stuck. Greetings. Well, it's over with. I went to Broken Feather Palooza, had a great time, met some great people, and in that I was given a knife from Eric Levy at DVS Designs. It's the lockpick, and I have to tell you, I didn't think I was going to like any knife from my style of no spin better than my own, but this one's better. It just is. I mean, it's got a really cool look to it, and it flies super well. Anyway, since it's nice and sunny out, and it hasn't been for about 3 or 4 days, I figure now's a great time to put this through its paces. Let's start close, and then I'm just going to go right back to 10 meters and see how far back I can get. Let's rock. Let's see what happens with this thing, huh? Oh yeah, she hits hard. Yeah, I love it. Eric, I can't thank you enough. I'm going to throw one more and we'll get back. Oh, jeez. Oh yeah. And that's an oak round too. Or maple or something. It's a hardwood. Oh geez, let's go right back, see what happens. 10 to 11 meters. We got it at 3 and 4. I'm just gonna jump right into it because I think this is a distance thrower. I think this one has my name all over it for 10 plus meters. Oh, I'm excited. Let's try it. First shot. Look at this. Oh my god. My gird. My gird. I can't believe this. It's a little over rotated. But check out that baby. Huh? Look at that. And it's still in there about an inch. Nice. Here it is. It's called the Lockpick from DVS Designs. I gotta tell you, that's a phenomenal looking knife, and it throws really well. I actually can't believe how nice it is. I mean, I couldn't throw any of my knives 12 meters. I can't get the flight down. But this one, because it's so thick at that back end and it thins right out at the tip, it's meant for long distance. And that's what Eric told me. He said, I want you to throw 100 foot. I didn't get 100 foot. But I got, well, I don't know. Let's see where I was. Let's see where I was. And here's my mark. We'll pace it off. Yeah, 16 paces. So whatever 16 of my normal paces are, that's how far it was. I'm guessing 40 feet or so. I don't know. Hard for me to tell. But it's pretty far for me. Alright, thanks again, Eric. It's a great knife.